bakanyama batakamanyire batahirira abakristu abekereziya ya Nyamabare irukushangwa umwishaza lya Buhweju West. Mu bakrista batahirirwe habere harimo Honorable Francis Mwijike uriyo myeshengera habwe ishaza lya Buhweju obeirotaireho mukereziyeze okumanya ahenshonga zemihondano y'itaka nabamaha abaturage abahikane nekereziyezi zahika.
Tona yo Mwijike ari akachiko k'Ekereziya Parish Council ya Butare kandi naneje Ekereziya nubwo yarabere yo mu Gomborore ya Nyakishana umukonstituency ya Honorable Beraro konka abinji abashombe bayo nubarga umukonstituency ya Mwijike.
Bakanyamaba bagambwa kuba batahirire Ekereziyezi amwe n'abakrista babere barumu bakatandika kubajugutira amabare uteireho no kubatematema abantu abarukwingana mushanju bagambwa kubona bo batungiro buta umukuru wa no kubereho aho kandi muri yabo na Honorable Francis Mwijike nawe atungiro buta hamutwe.
These Kanyamas attacked us, beat up everybody. They came for me. They cut me with a panga on the head. On this side, they hit me with a stick. On the other side, I fell down. And Christians helped me to lift me to the church and closed the church. And so these guys continued banging the doors and the windows, wanted to enter and finish us off. But God protected us.
Nubagera ngo gukeremantu witaka akarabe nyuma ya leta bakanyama bo kurenga 10 yabateko munju yaho so yabatamu kuguma mbaterrorizinga abantu.
Ugurizira Honorable Mwijike uwo mshaki weitu yashanga umwirware lya Divine Hospital aho muri Rembo Rwambara yashobora ku polisi eyorekiro bunafu bw'amani bwanyuma yo kutura ukikaha mwanya okurinda amagara g'abantu.
This is clearly impunity of the highest order. That somebody can hire goons in the names of private security and that police at Nsika looks either compromised or fearing these goons. But up to now, they have not arrested anybody. Even when all this crime has been going on. That just one person can attempt to chase over 2,000 people from their land. I want to ask the IGP to take keen interest in why the DPC of Buhweju is not interested in arresting these goons.
Ugumuze gwa kugira ngo haramataka rero abantu bakashomba bakanyama bakabatamataka. Ni nyenda kushaba security ya Buhweju. RDC na DPC they need to stay up.
Ogu nagira ngo polisi bereshemere kwikaha mwanyo gubucerkare kabingaho bakanyamaba
kubamanya ko batubara ba Buhweju n'abakanyama bakabiha Kampala babahayaringa bona bajwiriza braka izahakiro security mu mugongo ko kubuza polisi kujya guteka kubamanya abatakataba kubamanya ko nkabari yaho nibabona barisa abantu tina kumanya he barakora nico nari ngira ngo icyo kigwire takubasa kushanga abantu bari babesheje babona barisa abantu rero security kagera unahite kumanya ahi bakora.
Ugurijira Dr. Godfrey Mjenyi uri mukuru w'irwaro ero Honorable kujanjabirwaho Honorable utari mu mberambi kandi naza kuterera.
We suspected head injury and brain CT scans have been done. Generally his condition is out of danger.
Itake rugambwaho Rwanyamabare mugombora ya Nyakishana mu district ya Buhweju kandi ni listia hectares 29.
Arhitaka erukushangwa umurwanyamabare umugombora ya Nyakishana hazitakeryo ruhwekereziya ya Rwanyamabare Catholic Center hamwe na nabandi bataka mwene itakeryo umyake yakari munonga ruturu umukonflict.
Mugamzi wa polisi muri Bushenye Mpango Masho Tumusime aine byashobora anshongezi
aba farmers barwanyamabare farmers association hariho itaka ribakuhingaho amajani, so bamugira ngo bine conflict na nogo umugabo witake itake ryo rero conflict ngo ari kubarwanasa ko rubabingamo, so kuba mazire kushaba batambura hamwe na nabafama zaba kubahika hamwanya ogwe bashangaho abakozi ba Kamugisha Frank mutabani wa Edwin Burimbare ben neighbor wa Chachejo or claiming I know 50 acres of land, so baza ko bahikaho bati bashango abakozi ba Kamushogo haza bashanga bine ibitino sitwe babetegere babanyamuranza kwijana, so immediately bamwatakinga bamutera umutwe banda kushato
ogu yayonziragira ngo kucondoza kwatanditsire abwinazi nubwo bumwe
nga polisi turiyo tugezaho kugira ngo abantu aba bakwatwa batwarwa mu kugaza amateka.
Sky TV agenshonga Ndmatnebye na Olivia Nasasira.